poppin'? It's your boy Gang. Welcome back to my review channel. And I want to start off by saying congratulations to the 250 sub giveaway winners, Revolution and DJ. Much love, and I appreciate y'all for showing love to the channel and supporting and entering that giveaway. And to everybody else who subs to the channel and shows love and supports, appreciate y'all. Much love and thank you from the bottom of your boy heart. Almost messed up right there, but you know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, let's get into this review. And today, we about to do a review on the company again, HipHop Bling. And the item that we're reviewing today is the Money and Family Pendant. So with that being said, let's get into it. And here goes the package that it came in. A little yellow envelope, and that's it. This is the bag that it comes in. Only thing else that comes up in here is my receipt and this little hiphopbling.com card for the little advertisement with the discount code on the back, drip25. Screenshot that or pause the video if y'all want to use that. Same code as last time. So, here we go. Let's get into this pendant. This is the bag that it comes in. HipHop Bling logo right there. That's it. Let's open this thing up. Show y'all what this pendant about. The bag right there. It come in this little bubble wrap right here. Boom. Set the bubble wrap to the side. And it got a little plastic little wrap around there. A little plastic little thing. A little envelope. There we go. So, okay. This joint is fire. Let's get into it. Bam. This is the Money and Family pendant right here. And if you look close, it is rose gold and white. And it is like a small graffiti style. I wouldn't say it is, but it's something like it. I guess the way that the print is, the way that they just mashed it together and made their own little design out of it. But if you look close right here, the money is in baguette. The word money is in baguette stones, surrounded by solid CZ stones. And if you look right here in between the Money and Family, it's a little brick right here that the end is sitting on. And the brick is iced out and the end is solid rose gold. And then you got the money coming right off, and the way it kind of looks like a little Pac-Man mouth. If you look real close and kind of get that little image, it kind of look like a Pac-Man mouth, and it look like it's screaming, and with the money coming off of it, and it kind of, you know what I mean, it's kind of crazy, you know what I mean, you just got to use your imagination on that one right there. But if you look close, it got the money symbols right there. The detail to the money symbols is really nice. It got the lines coming off the money symbol and everything, and then the separation to that, you know what I mean, is really nice. I like how it's sitting on a little brick right there, you know what I mean. And it's iced out in the background. And then if you look close right there in between, it's iced out under the Money and the Family in between the brick. And the background is just a solid little plate background. It's similar to my big 3D disc, the way that the background is right here. And it's micro pave, it's iced out. And then you got the money symbols that's iced out. You know what I'm saying? The end right here is the only thing that's in a solid rose. You know what I'm saying? That's the crazy part about it. And then the family is in big bold letters in rose gold too. All the letters are rose gold backgrounds with the stones over them. You know what I'm saying? And then the rim is iced out right there. And if you look real close, the attention to detail is really nice. How they got everything set. I really like that. And then how the little M is coming off the side of the little border right there, and the F is sticking out, the Y and the money symbols is coming off the border. And it's just crazy how they even thought about putting a little and on the little brick thing right there. You know what I'm saying? Look at that right there. Check that out. That thing is fire right there. It's fly. So, you know what I'm saying? The bell is iced out. I like the details on this one. The sides are not iced out though. So check that out. Under there, right there. Boom. And the background, I said already, is iced out. And then, boom, here go the back. If you look at the back, it is an open cage back. And then check that out. If you look real close, it got like a snowflake design to the background of it with the holes in the center of the cage right there. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of fly right there. I like that on the background. Or the background, on the back of the pendant right there. That's nice right there, a little attention to detail. Another thing you can notice, how they trying to make the pendant all fly with some little nice little intricate designs that's on there that most people probably wouldn't even probably notice. Well, probably because it's up against your chest, you probably didn't go notice it anyway, but I'm just saying for the video, that's kind of nice right there, you know what I'm saying? And this is right here, one more time the front for y'all, just so y'all can get another look at that thing. Check that design print out, man. I'm telling you. It's iced out, the big bold letters of the family in just a regular print. And then you got the money print. It's kind of somewhat like in a cursive print, just a little bit. It's not cursive, but it's kind of like it. You know what I'm saying? And then it's in baguette letters once again, surrounded with a solid line of CZs going around the rim of it. And then you got the N in between, sitting on a little brick type of thing with the money coming off of it. And the money symbols is really nice, man. I like that. Look at the little lines coming off of them, man. They did that thing kind of good. Kind of good. That thing is righteous. They ain't all that. You know what I'm saying? And it is icy in the mug. Check it out. So this is the money and family pendant from HipHop Bling. Y'all the back one more time. Check that thing out. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Give y'all the black bag with it one time, just so y'all can see what it's like on a little more reflective tip without the light all on it. But check that thing out. That thing is nice. I should have did the whole thing with the bag behind it. See, that's where I was slacking. You know what I'm saying? I be slacking sometimes. I be wake and baked. And I be forgetting, trying to do the stuff in the morning. I'm not even gonna lie, Jack. Shoot, came straight down there after washing up, bruh. Got to it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, check that thing out one time, man. And that's it for this review. You know what I mean? The little money and family pendant from HipHop Bling. Ain't nothing big, ain't nothing special. You know what I mean? Little simple, quick review for y'all, man. And it is been sponsored by Unnoticed Talent. HipHop Bling link in the description. Goo Jewelry link in the description, man. And you know the other links is down there too. Go ahead and check them out, man. If y'all like something y'all see in the videos, and go ahead and holler at them, man. They might have something you like. Check it out. So, I'm going to end up seeing y'all boys on the next one. Once again, congratulations to DJ and Revolution on the giveaway. And we got another giveaway coming up at 500 subs. So, stay tuned. Go ahead, tell a friend, share, like, and comment on the videos, man. Holla at your boy, and I'ma see y'all on the next one. And I'm out. Gang.
Like niggas on that sucker shit. Them the type of motherfuckers I ain't fucking with. Bum niggas on that broke shit. Them the type of motherfuckers I ain't fucking with. Fake niggas on that hating shit. Them the type of motherfuckers I ain't fucking with.